Albert Einstein once said, "When you stop learning, you start dying."
If you want to live an elevated and successful life that is filled with prosperity, joy, and peace,
we have to learn how to improve ourselves, and what better way than to seek advice and counsel from people who have gone ahead of us and have been deemed successful by the status quo.
Research has shown that successful CEOs read at least 50 books per year, meaning they read one book per week minus probably vacation time. This means that the principles, secrets, and methods needed to succeed in life are hidden in books.
And only avid readers and ardent principles adherents achieve great success.
Every human being is made up of 4 aspects:
Physical or body,
mindset or intellects, soul or spirituality,
emotions or relationships. All of these are equally important, and none should be neglected.
This channel will focus on our mindset or intellectual aspect of our being.
If you are interested in learning the lessons, principles, secrets, and methods stated in books that led to success and do not have time to do so, then subscribe to this motivational channel, because every week we will review one book per week.